Flycatcher needs to dust this guy. Wait up. Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty? Yeah, I did. What? When? Just now. You saw her just now. She told me not to tell you. She did? Yeah, I thought it was weird too. Thanks, Bigby. Damn it. Something's going on. Cracked a window. What a night. Should have got a smaller one. Don't even remember ordering that. Probably a bad sign. Bluebeard's file. Hey, Big B. I'm in your chair, huh? Yeah, get out. Got a smoke?
dozen more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
This has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this.
The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Bigby.
Don't be a pain in the ass. I'll tell you what I told Toad.
And what's that?
Get a glamour or go up to the farm. It's not complicated, Colin.
Lectured by the big bad wolf. He must have loved that. That for me?
Nope.
The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes. It also would have shown everyone how different you are now.
If that was all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest.
I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you.
It wasn't murder. I was hungry.
Yeah, well, I'm hungry now. You don't see me tearing the flesh off of your bones.
But you would if you could.
Probably. But, no. Hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands.